out. Box 3 is coming out right about now. We are going to remove all the stuff, Mikey. That's out of here, Mikey. I do want to remove this also, right? Yep. It's the clip. Alright, Mikey. So now, we know how this comes apart. So we're just going to go right in here. This is the one that we're trying to take out, okay? Here's the bolt, yeah. Here's the bolt right in here. That means we got to go right in here. We got to loosen this up. We got to know how this goes back in. I think we know, right?
Yep. What size was that?
One is 1/4 to 3/8. This is a 1/2 inch, Mikey, right here. Now, if I go like this, I am basically, okay, so I'm going to flip it over, okay? Come on, where are you? So now, if you look at this, this is gonna go down, right? Yeah. All right, so let's use this right here, like so. It's going down, right? Yep. I'm gonna just release it up nice and gently, Mikey. And we did. Now, our tensioner is just looking at us now, Mikey. In order to get this 10 out, I don't know, we may have to remove this guy, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try without it, and then we get a big ass bolt right in here. There's 2 screws holding it, nothing else, okay? Just taking my time here. We may have to remove this guy after all.
That pulley's got to come out.
The pulley is in the way, but I'm just trying to see. Maybe it's not such a long bolt.
15 it is.
Okay. That's one. Taking our time at the last second. We don't want to drop anything. We're taking out everything together. And I'll pop this upside down like that. So now we can go ahead and do what we wanted to do. I gotta be 10. Don't lose. What are the odds of this being a 15 also, Mikey? Huh? Can we get lucky? Feels kind of loose, don't it? Let me see this for a second. This is too big, Mikey.
So 14 mil for the tensioner bolt.
Yeah, man. If that's okay with you, it's okay with me, Mikey, man.
It's good.
So now, Mikey, we're just gonna go in here.
It's a 15 after all.
Yeah.
For the tensioner.
Tension is coming out finally, Mikey, for the first time in a long time. Gotta be me.
I think it's been in there since
That never changes.
2007. No, I never touched that.
This is an original part, Mike. Yeah, Daddy.
Now, the reason we're changing this is because it sounds like a canary. So especially when you have the AC on, your defrost on, it's just an annoying chirping. Sounds like an alternator bell, right?
Yeah. How long is this thing? Are we home yet?
Almost there.
Nope. That is cool, you know? You buy that and the guy just sends it to you.
Oh yeah, instantly. We bought a new one off of eBay. 80, 60, 50, 59. $59 for a new OEM from eBay tensioner with pulley combo.
Mikey, now this is a little rubber stopper here. We do need to remove that, I'm pretty sure. Actually, no. All right, where's your new one, Mikey?
The new one's in the truck. Let me go get it.
Go get it now. Do it. Do it. nice one. I like this one. I like this one better than this one. Chrysler mounting bolt torque. Okay. Yeah. Put this away. Let's get this show on the road, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I think if you're smart enough too, Mikey. First, we need to know. I'm gonna tilt it down like so. Trying to get the belt out of the way so we can make it look where it fits. You see how it fits?
Yep.
It's got his own notch too. See, like this?
There it is.
So they put a notch. This notch goes into right there. Look at this. Isn't that cool?
Nice.
So now,
there's no way to mess this up.
No.
But and this is a 4.0 engine, not the 3.7.
Let's say 35 foot-pounds.
More or less.
Yep, now you got it. Alright, so now we're going to tighten our little itsy bitsy one. This is just to prevent that thing popping out of something. It's really not doing anything as far as torquing concerned. This is the last piece of the puzzle, Mikey.
Our top pulley.
Okay. One, two, three. All right, so now this belt, Mikey, somehow gotta get it in there, right? I think we are right where we want to be, right? I think this belt here, Mikey, the one in the bottom.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Okay, so that's what's gonna happen here. So I think we should just take this away. I'm gonna just start with the hard one first, which is gonna go right about here. Okay. Make sure we're happy with the AC first. This is the toughest one. AC is happy. I think the tensioner is happy. So now all we gotta do is get in here. When you do this, then I'm gonna put this up here. Okay. So let's get going here, Mikey. Now you gotta get this thing just right. Nothing there yet. Nothing there yet. Oh. Like this one, keep. Okay. All right. So we're happy there. Everybody's happy here, Mikey. I can't wait to start this thing up. I hope we're right, Mikey. You know what? That would make me really happy that this was the cause of our
little canaries.
dingle sound.
All right.
Never mind the box. As long as this guy's hooked up in here, I'm pretty confident. I don't think it's gonna bitch and move. Go ahead, Mikey.
All right, let's start her up.
Okay.
Ready?
better, you know?
Yeah.
And I look at the old tension. Look.
Yeah, I went from AC to heat with the defrost on.
That's the button. You should have made some noise by now. I mean, as soon as you start, I hear you. Before you go. Okay, so. AC's on now.
So the defrost and the heat.
I think that belt is loaded up. And everything is straight through. Look at this. Nice line. I couldn't see that line with that accurate TSX.
Yeah.
What the fucking belt flip is up on the fucking flip? Come on, Shorty. Fit like a glove too.
Yeah, it fit real nice.
No, that was the original one. That was.
Let me do the AC one more time.
Play with it. Put it to a test. You do whatever you do. See the bottom. Lights are off. AC on.
AC on.
The fucking AC goes really quiet too. That means it's got a beautiful clutch. So he's putting a better tension on the belt. He
Right.
just made it better. Wow.
Right, because it's nice and smooth now.
So you don't look. We just go by this and it's it's gonna be the noisemaker, that's it. But what's happening inside this gizmo?
Right.
Right? I'm sure there's a one big giant spring here, right? And maybe this is just wobbling or something under tension. We don't know, right? We can't tell. And the only thing we can tell is it's an original part with over 140,000 miles on it.
This, yeah, 148,000 miles.
That's a lot for attention.
Yeah, and that one has, I'm assuming 0. So
That's brand new.
So until then, so we got the chirps, we don't got the chirps, we got the bleeps, we got the bleep, the bleeps, the bleeps, and the bleep. It's like Spaceballs. You got all these kinds of noises, but
Yeah.
all right.
It's somewhat better than before. Much better than before.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Before you get on the gas,
Oh yeah.
yeah, it sounds like ridiculous. It's almost this reminds me of your Lexus. Remember when we changed that thing? It was like quiet,
Yeah.
and you're like, oh, we think we fixed it, and then
Well, it's becoming a process of elimination because it's such a tight quarters, and the noise is just being amplified. It goes everywhere, and it's dangerous. You can't just, what are you gonna touch? You want to try a stethoscope or something?
should I put it in reverse?
Yeah.
All right.
Step on the brakes, put the car in drive, reverse.
Alrighty.
That just kicked in now. Take a lot of heat off.
I still hear the
Oh yeah,
that little knocker. What is that called?
it's got a
main crank, main crank pulley, the big one down there. That's for another video, another day.
That is not cheap.
Yep. I mean, that's pretty good to insure. I mean, you want to go up to like...
Wow, the car is running. Isn't that amazing?
Oh, yeah.
There's no other way this Canaries could be this quiet. The only thing we've done is change that stupid tensioner.
Right.
Okay? We didn't touch anything else. Everything is remains the same. And personally, the new tensioner looked just like the old tensioner. I could not tell any difference. But yet, the Canaries are gone. So I'm definitely leading towards the tensioner itself, right? It's not just the pulley itself, but the tensioner. Whatever it was doing under load, Mikey, it does something. It's really tough to describe.
All right. So we'll drive it.
Oh yeah,
See if it
you're
comes
gonna
back.
test it. You're gonna test it. I know you
We'll
will.
head up to the White Mountains this weekend, and I'll let you know when I'm out there. Oh, wait, Mike. There's Canaries out here, and I'm in the middle of nowhere.
Do-do-do-do-do. Okay, Mikey. Now this is supposed to snap in. Like that, Mikey. Alright, so this, Mikey, is gonna go like this. And this let's get this plug wire out of the way. Let's put this in first. We need to tilt this bad boy like so until the bottom connects first. And this, and then this. And guide this little tubey back into its place. Gonna make sure this guy is plugged in and lock him in place. I think we should go ahead and tighten this up next. And then we're gonna close this hood, and the chirp's gonna come back. No!
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 Well, I'm happy your Lexus is nice and quiet, though.
I know. Thanks, man.
That nice pulley. All right, guys. Well,
that took a while, you know.
oh yeah. There's another one. So remember to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. We'll start pumping them out little by little. We've just been real busy. Just Mike and I fixing cars, brakes, and what have you. So we'll try to give you more videos soon. All right, so until the next.